Welcome to this video tutorial in which I will explain you how to use my modified version of Bluetooth LeGatt and also how to modify it. So first we have my GitHub repository in which I have this project. So yeah, feel free to download. The link will be in the description, so check it out. So yeah, once you download, you will have this project, and well, first of all, in Bluetooth service, there is a function named write characteristic, in which, well, this is the function that sends the data from your phone to the Bluetooth that is connected to. So yeah, if you really know what you're doing, feel free to modify this part. If you don't do it. Okay, so going to device control activity, here's where everything happens. So, well, if you are going to modify this, you have to know that there are two types of modifications that you can do. Modify and delete. So if you see this comment, feel free to modify. Then everything that is from here to until here is modifiable. What I mean? Well, you can here change everything from inside. Well, except this. Well, you will see it will launch you an error if you delete something that you shouldn't. So, just in case, I will comment this. Do not change the name of superstring or delete it. Nice. So yeah, I think, well, here you can modify only the time actually. Modify time. So yeah, well, this is like a updated time because I found out that if you just send the data to the Bluetooth low energy like nuts, it will sometimes start recopilating all, and when you execute your Arduino or your Raspberry Pi code, it will be a little bit interesting. And you will, if you just put this to 100, and you will see what I'm talking about. Well, in here you can delete everything. This has to do with my current application. Right now, I am using this to use it as a joystick controller, where, well, I have two joysticks, and the volume control, well, is used to fire. Yeah, here you can, I think, no, it is not here. Wow, I thought it was here. Well, so yeah, it uses the volume control to fire, you can see here. So yeah, to volume up you will shoot, and to volume down, well, it will recover. It has to do with my robot design, so feel free to delete it or to modify it. So basically here you put your action functions. So yeah, up here, uh, this has to do with the menu. So everything, you can modify this part, but you can delete this that has, you see here, M connected, menu connected, disconnected. If you really know what you're doing, feel free to modify it. If not, well, do not modify it, please. Well, here in onCreate function, in public void onCreate, you can delete all this stuff. Well, obviously until you see until here, but you really have to notice that if you delete this, all the current variables that are down here, well, you will have to delete them also. So yeah, that's how you modify it and how to use it. So just make sure to that your phone has the current version of my program. You can check it out in, in the Gradle. And also, well, if you want to learn how, how to modify what modifications I have done, well, it will be in another video, maybe in a blog, but so yeah, it will be in the future. So this is how you modify it, how you can use it. So yeah, so basically, I forgot. I'm gonna explain it pretty fast. So what happens here? Well, set move, obviously, it will start recopilating all your variables. So if you want to send maybe, I don't know, maybe um, an integer, oh sorry, name x. So like for example, post position, you have a variable up there named x, for example, and you want to send it to your Arduino. Well, here in this line that it says superstring, well, here you can modify what string are you sending to your Arduino. So if you maybe just want to send the x, send it, put it like that, x uppercase. So yeah. So this is how you modify this. Here you will recopilate all the values. Okay, so make sure to do that. So yeah, if you want, currently I have this as a function because, well, every time I make a change in one of these, for example, if I move, where's the joystick? Here. Oh no, it has a listener. Um, well, you understand me, okay? Um, So yeah, you can use it as a list. You can put a listener to maybe a button, or maybe a joystick if you well. So yeah, here it is. So you can use a listener to a joystick, a button, or any anything that you want to use as an interface, and well, this will recopilate that value. So make sure to put every recopilated value here, and then just put everything you want to send in here. So always make sure that this little guy is at the end. It will help you a lot while coding, because you can know what string is has been previously sent. And well, if you want to separate things, for example, if we have like a y variable that doesn't exist, but well, go use a comma. It's the simplest way. And so yeah, I think that's everything how you can use it. So here in this string you put whatever you want to send, and this function here will make sure that that will be sent. So yeah, I think that's everything. Make sure to check the repository in the description. If you find a better way to make this function, make sure to put it in the comments. I will check your code, I will try it, and then we might uh, put it in a GitHub repository. Make you a collaborator of this repository, so you can also work in perfecting this modification. So yeah, That's everything, guys. Bye bye.